Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 20 of the Wera advent calendar. Last time we opened the number 2 Phillips bit. Now let's see what's behind number 20 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And what we have is the standard or flathead bit. Now don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 21. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time in your home garage.